Saboroki wa korwa BUSA Gusii Bonchari University Students Association bono barure birero byabo abwase batebire bunati bali konyora bursary korwase constituency eyo wetera asenjira ya CDF nigo bono bamubolire omobungo bo bwensemeyo Pavel Oimeke oswagati na kwenekya buna boroki wa bonkwe wabale chibasari bunebwenerete korengana na barabo nigo bagoteba buna abange babo nigo batigira masomo useba yatigire nchira asengencho yokoborwa we fees abwase baburire serikali amono mubungo bo waswagati eliko bakonya
Isaac Matundora ayenda orsa Isaac Famire Deputy President BUSA. Today as Bonchari constituency students and comrades, we are bitter because the bursary that we have been yearning and waiting for so that it can cater for our educational needs, it's no more. Our parents are crying, the society at large, starting from the secondary school, going to the university, colleges, everybody's crying. It is an examination period, and in this period, we expect that every student must sit for his or her end-term exams. Because of lack of fee, some have been forced to defer semesters. Some have been forced to go and look for jobs so that they can get a fee so that they can sit for their exams and make sure that they complete their semester on time, and others to make sure that they are going to graduate in time. Sisi kama Bonchari ni sikitiko kwetu. Leo siku hii tumehusunika kama wanafunzi pamoja na community pamoja na wazazi wetu wale wenye tumetoka katika familia maskini. Tunaomboleza kwa sababu hatuna bursary tena. Bursary ndio tumekuwa tukitegemea kwa muda mrefu sana. Wengine wameacha shule kwa sababu ya bursary. We are giving this notice to our area MP. We are giving this notice to any Bonchari that is ready, that is a well-wisher of Bonchari, and that needs our students to go to class and study, because we depend on education as our Gusii. So from today, we have declared war until the bursaries are being raised. Comrades, power!